Hey, what's up, y'all? So in today's video, I'll just be showcasing my portfolio assignment that I wrote in HTML. And in this video, I'll just be explaining all the code and any challenges that I faced throughout writing it. All right, so the first part is the first tag is doc type HTML. It basically just states the whole document will be in HTML. Alrighty, and here is the body tags, and anything that encompasses these two body tags will be presented in the web page. This is where I wrote everything down. All right, so the first main header I wrote in the tag H1 is my name. Then following that, the second header is going to be the role that I am, which is a computer science student. And then following that is going to be another subheader, and it's going to be named introduction. This is basically where I just introduce myself. I wrote all of that in these two paragraph tags. I made sure to make it kind of like simple and short. Following that is the same font as the introduction, H2, and it's going to be called skills. Basically just talked about any of the skills that I had in programming, which were Python and C. And then following that was the project tag. Basically, in this project tag, I listed a couple projects and I described them throughout the paragraph tags. As you can see, I listed three projects. I have a little bit more than that, but just for the sake of this, I only put three. And I think all of them were about 2 sentences each. I basically just described them and the function of the Python projects. And following that is my education experience. I wrote a simple paragraph describing that, basically which school I went to, what I'm doing now, and any of the experience I had. I made sure to include non-computer science related experiences, just because I thought it was important just to have that there. And I made sure to have it in its own kind of smaller subheading with the tag H4, which is the smallest one. And I titled it Past Work Experience, and I wrote a simple paragraph with that. Following the very last thing that I put in the H3 tag is the contact information. One small thing that I did was in the emails and the phone, I made sure to bold those so they kind of stand out. And I also made sure for the phone, I made sure to highlight it. I guess somebody wanted to look, like scroll down there, look at it in the first part, be right there on top of that would be highlighted in yellow. And now I'll just be talking about any of the challenges that I faced. So the first challenge that I faced was even getting started. I was having trouble running some of the programs that I was supposed to download, and it was just a little bit of a mess, but I was able to figure that out. And as I wrote it, I didn't have much problem writing the actual code part. I think the Udemy course pretty much explained it in a good way. I didn't have much problems understanding it. It was pretty easy. Uh, Most of my issues and challenges I faced were kind of like the issues where I had to upload it to Azure. That I faced a lot of problems with that. It was a lot of technical problem. It wasn't like problems on my end. It was technical problems where I had to talk to some people to help me out and fix that sort of stuff out. But the actual challenges I faced throughout the code, I didn't have any major challenges I had throughout the code. I think the only kind of challenge I had was trying to think of new ways to write it because I didn't want to make it a redundant kind of like a document just has like paragraphs upon paragraphs. So I made sure to kind of like use simple like other simple tags like bolding some of the letters and highlighting some of them. I also included this one tag. Let me find, yeah, the HR tag. It basically just draws a line and separates them. And I think I liked how it turned out. It separated them and everything. Yeah, so that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.